session, I will solve some important problems related to multiple angles. See the first question. Prove that cos 2a divided by 1 minus sin 2a equal to tan of 45 degree plus a. We know the formula for tan of 45 degree plus a, right? 1 plus tan a divided by 1 minus tan a. That you need to prove by taking LHS. Okay. First consider the LHS. LHS is cos 2a divided by 1 minus sin 2a. It's equal to, apply the cos 2a formula. Cos 2a formula is cos square a minus sin square a divided by, here 1 is there. Using trigonometric identity, I'm writing 1 as sin square a plus cos square a. We know for any angle theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta value is equal to 1 minus sin 2a formula 2 sin a into cos a. Okay. In the next step, see, it's equal to, numerator is of the form a square minus b square. A square minus b square formula is a plus b into a minus b. So you will get cos a plus sin a into cos a minus sin a using the formula, divided by, observe the denominator, it's in the form a square plus b square minus 2ab. In place of a sin square a is there, in place of b cos square a is there. A square means sin square a, that means a equal to sin a, b is equal to cos a. Okay, denominator is of the form a square plus b square minus 2ab. So you can write it as cos a minus sin a whole square. Expand this one, what you will get? A square cos square a plus b square sin square a minus 2ab, 2 sin a into cos a. By commutative property, it's same as cos a into sin a or sin a into cos a. Okay. Now see, here cos a minus sin a whole square is there. Here cos a minus sin a is there. Can cancel 1 cos a minus sin a. Remaining sum is equal to cos a plus sin a divided by cos a minus sin a. Okay. In the next step, divide numerator and denominator by cos a. Okay. Dividing both numerator and denominator by cos a. So here see, cos a plus sin a is there. You will get cos a divided by cos a plus sin a divided by cos a whole sum divided by, here see, cos a minus sin a is there. You get cos a divided by cos a minus sin a divided by cos a. Okay. Now see, in the next step, simplify this one. Cos a by cos a is 1 plus sin a by cos a by trigonometric identity. It's equal to tan a divided by 1 minus sin a by cos a is tan a. We studied the formula, right? 1 plus tan a divided by 1 minus tan a. This is nothing but tan of 45 degree plus a. This is nothing but RHS of the given problem. Clear? By simplifying, you will get only 1 plus tan a by 1 minus tan a. Then apply the formula. 1 plus tan a divided by 1 minus tan a is nothing but tan of 45 degree plus a. Clear? See the next question. Prove that sin 3 theta divided by 1 plus 2 cos 2 theta equal to sin theta. Okay. Consider the LHS. Sin 3 theta divided by 1 plus 2 cos 2 theta is there. Apply sin 3 theta formula. Sin 3 theta is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta divided by, keeping 1 as 1 plus keeping 2 outside, cos 2 theta observe the right hand side. Right hand side, see, only sine theta is there. For cos 2 theta, we have three formulas, right? One is cos square theta minus sine square theta. Another one is 2 cos square theta minus 1. And the third one is 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Since RHS is sine, you need to take the formula which contains sine only. For cos 2 theta, formula with the sine is 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Clear? Suppose here cos is given, you need to use the formula 2 cos square theta minus 1. Since here RHS is sine, I am applying the formula 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Now simplify that one. It's equal to 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta divided by, see, 1 plus 2 into 1 is 2 minus 2 into 2 is equal to 4 sine square theta. It's equal to, see here, 1 plus 2 is there, numerator is 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta divided by, here you will get 3 minus 4 sine square theta. Okay. In the next step, to get the RHS, from the numerator, take sine theta outside. Write the remaining term. Since sine theta is in outside, 3 is remaining minus 4 into sine cube theta is there. But 1 sine theta is in outside, so the remaining sum is sine square theta divided by the denominator 3 minus 4 sine square theta. Now see, 3 minus 4 sine square theta, 3 minus 4 sine square theta get cancels. The remaining sum is equal to sine theta. This is nothing but RHS of the given question. See the next question. Prove that cos to the power 4 theta minus sin to the power 4 theta is equal to cos 2 theta. Okay. First consider the LHS. Cos to the power 4 theta minus sin to the power 4 theta. Here I am writing it as cos square theta to the power whole square minus sin square theta to the power whole square. A to the power m to the power n is a to the power mn. So you will get cos to the power 4 theta minus sin to the power 4 theta. Now see, it's equal to a square minus b square form is there, right? What's the value of a? Here a is cos square theta, b is equal to sin square theta. A square minus b square. A square minus b square formula is a plus b into a minus b. So cos square theta whole square minus sin square theta whole square can be written as a plus b, that is cos square theta plus sin square theta into a minus b, that is cos square theta minus sin square theta. By the trigonometric identity, cos square theta plus sin square theta value is equal to 1 into cos square theta minus sin square theta. It's nothing but cos 2 theta. Formula, right? Cos square theta minus sin square theta value is cos 2 theta. Its value equal to cos 2 theta. 1 into any number equal to the same number. Okay. Since the reason is cos square theta minus sin square theta value is equal to cos 2 theta. It's a formula. We studied already, right? See the next question. Prove that 1 minus cos 2a divided by sin 2a equal to tan a is given. Okay. First consider the LHS. 1 minus cos 2a divided by sin 2a. Okay. It's equal to 1 minus, to prove the RHS, cos 2a is there. I am writing cos 2a as 1 minus 2 sin square a. Okay. Divided by sin 2a is there. Sin 2a formula is 2 sin a into cos a. Okay. See, to prove the given RHS, you need to take the corresponding formulas. To remember these tricks, you need to solve more problems. Then only you get to know which formula you need to take or how to solve. Okay. In the next step, see, plus 1 minus 1 get cancels. Minus into minus plus. So into 2 sine square A divided by 2 sine A into cos A. In the next step, see, 2 get cancelled. Sine square A by sine A. 1 square and 1 sine A get cancelled. Remaining sum is sine A divided by cos A. We know the formula. Sine theta by cos theta, it's equal to tan theta. This is nothing but RHS of the given problem. Okay. You need to remember, if this type of problem given, you need to replace cos 2A by the formula, that is 1 minus 2 sine square A, denominator sine 2A formula. Here no confusion, because sine 2A formula we have only one formula, but cos 2A we have three formulas. Out of three, according to the question, you need to select the formula. Clear? See the next question. Prove that sin A plus cos A whole square equal to 1 plus sin 2A. So one of the simple question. First consider the LHS. Sin A plus cos A whole square. Just apply A plus B whole square formula. A plus B whole square is A square, that is sin square A, plus B square, that is cos square A, plus 2AB, that is 2 into sin A into cos A. In the next step, see, sin square A plus cos square A value is equal to 1 plus 2 sin A cos A. 2 sin A cos A is nothing but sin 2A. It's a formula, right? Multiple angle formula. 2 sin A cos A value is nothing but sin 2A. Why here 1? Because sin square A plus cos square A value is equal to 1. It's a trigonometric identity. If you apply these two concepts, you will get the RHS of the given question, that is 1 plus sin 2A. Next, see some important 1 mark questions. Okay. First question, see, find the value of 4 cos cube 10 degree minus 3 cos 10 degree. Just observe the given question. It's in the form 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A, right? 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. Okay. Now see, in the question, in place of A, 10 degrees there. But we know the formula 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A is nothing but cos 3A formula, right? Cos 3A equal to 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. It's equal to cos 3 into what's the angle A? A is equal to 10 degree. It's equal to cos 10 into 3 is equal to 30 degree. Cos 30 degree, what's the value? Cos 30 degree is equal to root 3 divided by 2. Therefore, value of the given question is equal to root 3 by 2. It's one of the very important question. Okay. They are given cos 3a formula or sin 3a formula. In that formula, just substitute angle A value, then use the standard angle, you will get the answer. See the next question. Find the value of 3 sin 10 degree minus 4 sin cube 10 degree. If you observe this one, this is in the form 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A, where A value equal to 10 degree. We know 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A is nothing but sin 3A. It's equal to sin 3 into A value is equal to 10 degree. Sin 3 into 10, it's equal to sin 30 degree. What's the value of sin 30 degree? Sin 30 degree value is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, value of the given question is equal to 1 by 2. To solve this question, use the given data sin A equal to 1 by 2. Since sin A equal to 1 by 2, this implies A value is equal to 30 degree, right? Sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2. Now see, sine 2a is equal to sine 2 into what's the value of a? A is equal to 30 degree. It's equal to sine 2 into 30 degree. It's equal to sine 60 degree. Sine 60 degree value is equal to root 3 by 2. This is a solution. Okay, just use the data. Sine A equal to 1 by 2. That means angle A equal to 30 degree. Reason is, since sine 30 degree, its value equal to 1 by 2. In place of A, 30 degree. Sine 2A is asked. That is sine 2 into A is 30 degree. 2 into 30 degrees, 60 degree. Sine 60 degree value is equal to root 3 by 2. Clear? See the next question. Similar to the previous question. Cos A equal to root 3 by 2. Find cos 2A. Since cos A equal to root 3 by 2, this implies A value is equal to, when cos value is root 3 by 2, that is 30 degree, right? A value equal to 30 degree. Cos 2A is asked. Cos 2A is equal to cos of 2 into 30 degree. It's equal to cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree value is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, cos A equal to root 3 by 2 implies cos 2A value is equal to 1 by 2. See the next question. If tan A equal to 1 by root 3, find tan 2A. Since tan A equal to 1 by root 3, this implies angle A is equal to, when tan value is 1 by root 3, tan 30, right? Tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. Therefore, A value equal to 30 degree. Question is tan 2A. It's equal to tan 2 into what's the value of A? A value equal to 30 degree. It's equal to tan 2 into 30 degree, tan 60 degree. What's the value of tan 60 degree? Tan 60 degree is equal to root 3. Therefore, if tan A equal to 1 by root 3, tan 2A is equal to root 3. Clear? In the next session, I will solve some important exercise problems related to multiple angles. Thank you.